Hello and welcome back. This is video number 5 and we're going to talk about how to organize your products. So as you begin to add more and more products over the course of weeks, months, or even years, things are going to become disorganized. It's going to be very hard for you to find and of course your customers to find unless you have a system in place initially and of course in the long term to make things easier to find. So that's what we're going to talk about in this particular video. And to do that, there are several different options that you can take. Now, as we mentioned earlier, we have categories, we have tags, and of course we have attributes. Now, attributes are a little bit different. So we're going to focus mainly on categories and tags. Now, you can also access them via the right-hand sidebar of each and every single one of your products. So on the right hand side, you can see product categories, and of course you can see product tags. Now it's going to be the same thing except for this location here is going to show you all of your categories and of course all of your tags. Whereas this one over here, this allows you to specify how this product is categorized in a category or within the tags. So if we go to product categories, you can see a list here. And of course, when you see product tags, you're going to see a list here. Now, it's a good idea to have it written down on paper or have an idea of where things fit and to try to create those product categories ahead of time and then create the product tags ahead of time. So as you begin to add your products, you're not thinking of categories when you're adding products, but instead you have the categories already created. So let's create an example here. Let's say, for example, that we want to create products and focus on products in a specific niche. And let's say, for example, that niche is about water filtration. So if we take a look at different categories, we have maybe water filters, or we can just say filters. Let's say that the whole site is about water filtration. So we have filters and the slug is going to be the user-friendly URL version. So you can say something like water-filters. And then you'll want to put a description. Now, of course, you also want to upload a thumbnail if you can. If you can't, no big deal. Just create a category. So when you're done, all you have to do is click on Add New Category, and you're done. So we can see that here. Now, let's say you've created other categories, and as you can see to the right, we see count. The reason why it's 0 is because there's no products that are attached to that product category. Now, if we go over here and we're going to refresh the page, I'll actually click on update and go from there, and we see filters. So I'm going to uncheck uncategorized, click on filters, and there we go. So if I click on update here and I go back to the product categories and I refresh the page from this page, you'll see that it says filters count 1. So to get a broader view of things, you can always go to product categories and see how many products are within what category. The same thing holds true with product tags. You can create product tags over here, or you can simply create them over here. So let's say, for example, that we're going to create the product tags over here. So this is a water filtration device, so we can say something like filters, and you can click enter, and then something like water, let's say 1-year warranty. Now when you click on update, even though we created the product tags on this location over here, they will appear under the tags over here. So as you can see, it says filters, 1-year warranty, water, count 1, 1, and 1, meaning there's one product within this tag here. one here, one here, and one here. So I wanted to show you that so that it allows you to see that you can create tags and categories via the product section and also within the product tag section and within the product category section. So that's how easy and simple it is to create an organized system for your products.